Hi, I'm Srija. At Hexaware, I work as an automation tester, creating and implementing automated cases to ensure software quality. My role involves identifying bugs earlier and optimizing testing processes to improve product reliability. When it comes to service, I deeply resonate with put people first. Because I believe the greatest innovations come from those who prioritize others, and by focusing on their needs, they naturally cultivate a mindset geared towards creating an impactful solution. By thinking of people first, we not only meet their needs, but pave the path for innovation that truly matters. Hexaware has been instrumental in my career and personal growth. Fresh from college, I was unsure about the industrial expectation, but the comprehensive training at Hexavarsity made the transition smooth for me. The emphasis on soft skill was spot on, and the mentor-mentee program was a game changer, connecting me with great leaders, which was crucial for my development. Kudos to whoever initiated it. I don't have a specific song that tops my playlist, since I enjoy shuffling through a variety of tracks. However, when I feel down, I do turn to songs like Lose Yourself. There are an endless list of Tamil songs which gives me that extra boost of energy.